Ever forget a due date? Especially when it comes to credit cards. Let's face it, life gets busy. Between work, errands, and that never-ending to-do list, keeping track of every single bill can feel impossible. But missing a credit card payment can hurt your credit score and lead to some nasty late fees. So, what happens when you realize that dreaded due date has snuck up on you, and you need to make a Capital One payment ASAP? Fear not, fellow forgetful friend. Capital One offers several ways to settle your bill, and one of the most convenient is by phone. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of making a Capital One payment over the phone, so you can get back to your day with one less worry. First things first, you'll need to grab a couple of things. Make sure you have your Capital One credit card handy, along with a pen and paper to jot down any confirmation details. Having your recent statement on hand might also be helpful, but it's not absolutely necessary. Now, let's get dialing. There are actually two phone numbers you can use to make a payment by phone with Capital One. The most common number is 1-800-CAPITAL 1-800-227-4825. This is the general customer service line, and they can definitely handle your payment needs. Alternatively, the number on the back of your physical credit card might also be a direct line to the payment center. Once your call connects, you'll likely be greeted by an automated system. Listen carefully to the prompts and follow the instructions to navigate the menu. You will probably be asked to enter your credit card number using the keypad on your phone. For security reasons, the system won't ask for your full credit card number out loud. After entering your card details, you'll be directed to the payment section. Here, you'll be able to specify the amount you want to pay. This could be your minimum payment, the full statement balance, or any other amount you choose. Here's a heads up, if you're making a payment towards a past due balance, be sure to confirm the specific date you want the payment reflected on your account. This can help avoid any late fees or penalties. The automated system will then ask you for your bank account information if you're making a one-time payment from your checking or savings account. Again, you'll use the keypad to enter your routing number and account number. Once everything is entered, the system will double-check all the details with you for accuracy. Listen carefully and confirm everything is correct before proceeding. Finally, the system will process your payment and provide you with a confirmation number. Write this down. This number serves as your receipt for the payment, so keep it in a safe place for your records. Depending on the time of day and call volume, there might be a wait to speak with a live representative. If you prefer to speak with a customer service agent for any reason, you can usually choose that option during the automated prompts. That's it. You've successfully made your Capital One credit card payment over the phone. See? Even with a looming due date, taking care of your bill can be quick and painless. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.